The first step is to open a quote. Click More Options to see the Projects field. Enter the project ID number for your customer's project. Scroll down and click OK. To add or verify a project has been added to an order, click Edit in the left-hand navigation menu. Scroll down and click to expand billing/sales information. Add the project ID number to the project field for internal orders. External orders will have a drop-down menu of customer projects to select from. To add a project to a PQuote, click the pencil icon to edit the PQuote header. Scroll down and click More Options. Enter the project ID or name in the project name text field. Select the project from the drop-down menu. Click OK. To link a project to a PO, or to verify a project has been added to a PO, click Edit on the left-hand menu of the PO. Select the project from the Project drop-down menu, or verify the project name was generated when added to the PQuote preceding the PO. Click Update Header. To view all objects linked to a project, click Sales. Click Quotes. Click Projects. Search for your internal or external customer. Click Submit. Click on the project ID you want to find objects linked to. Here you can use the left-hand nav to see all objects linked to a project. That's it, you're done.